Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia. Today is a short lecture about ejection fraction by Simpson. For this calculation, we need a 4-chamber view position or 5-chamber view. We record a thin loop with systole and diastole phase. At first step, we trace the internal border of the left ventricle at diastole phase. Measurement should start from the apex of heart, because next step is measurement of left ventricle length. Then these two steps repeated for systole phase. As a rule, Simpson ejection fraction is smaller than Tay-Holt's. This B-mode calculations is used in case of abnormal local contractility. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.